You may require additional funds to pay your bills at times. We've all been there, particularly if you live in a costly city. Perhaps you're trying to save for something special or increase your investment portfolio. You have come to the right place if you are wondering how to make money today or which are the best money-making applications available right now. In this video, we will go over 3 legitimate money-making apps that you can use to make money fast in 2022. By the end of this video, you will have new strategies for making extra money with just a few smartphone clicks. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. These days, mobile data is a commodity. If your internet plan limits you to a certain amount of data usage per month, you are well aware of how costly exceeding that limit can be. If you have more data than you need, however, selling it through Honeygain can help you earn extra money each month. Honeygain is a crowdsourcing application available for Mac OS, Android, and Windows. You can earn money by downloading it to your device and sharing your unused data. People who have an unlimited data plan but don't use it at all should use this application. When you let Honeygain run behind the scenes with your unused traffic, you can earn some passive income. Is the application, however, secure? You may be wary of allowing an app to access your unused data in the background. After all, what if Honeygain decides to sell it all? And who is using your data plan's traffic exactly? Honeygain's website claims that it only sells your traffic to trusted partners such as data scientists and Fortune 500 companies, which should put your mind at ease. Furthermore, Honeygain only collects personal data from its user that is required for the service, such as your email address, IP address, and preferred payout methods. You can also choose how much data you want to sell per day. The app won't access your storage. You can choose who you share your data with, and all connections are fully encrypted. Is Honeygain a genuine company? According to Honeygain reviews on Trustpilot, the application is legit enough to receive positive feedbacks from the majority of users. Honeygain has over 7,200 Trustpilot reviews with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. How much money can I make using Honeygain? If you're wondering if Honeygain can help you earn $50 per month, it can if you share a lot of data. To be paid each month, you must earn a minimum of $20. Otherwise, your balance will be carried over to the next month. The current payout for the application is as follows. For every 10 megabytes of traffic that passes through your devices, you will receive 1 credit. The current price per shared 10 gigabyte is $1. You can earn up to 10 credits per hour if content delivery is available in your area. According to Honeygain's earnings calculator, you can earn $20 per month by sharing your network from 3 devices for 6 hours per day and delivering 6 gigabytes of content per day, or $50 per month by running 7 devices and delivering 15 gigabytes of content 24 hours per day. Because traffic demands fluctuates, you might have a big earning one day and then less usage and less money the next. It all depends on the number of traffic Honeygain's affiliates require. Honeygain may be well worth installing if you aren't using all of the data you pay for each month. When you create an account, you are under no obligation. You can turn on and off the application as needed, as well as set limits on how much of your unused traffic you are willing to sell. The only problem is that in order to make money, you'd have to sell a lot of your data. Honeygain only pays $1 per 10 gigabyte of data. If you get enough friends to sign up for the application using your referral link, and add a few other ways to make money online, you might be able to make even more. Blackout Bingo is a fun new gaming application that adds a social element to online gaming by allowing you to compete for real prizes and, in some cases, real money. Blackout Bingo, formerly known as Blackout Blitz, is a free bingo game offered by the Skills gaming platform with several different ways to play. The application is available on the Apple Store for iPhones and iPads, as well as the Google Play Store for Android devices. For centuries, traditional bingo has been a live game, with a caller announcing the target numbers and players physically marking their bingo cards with a dauber. When bingo is achieved, which is defined as 5 target numbers in a row, horizontally, vertically, diagonally, or in some other pattern, the player says, "Bingo!" and the round is over. Blackout Bingo is a variation of traditional bingo in which players must cover all of the spots on their bingo card in order to win. The Blackout Bingo application transforms live bingo into a video game, appealing to a wider audience. You don't have to wait for bingo night at a local town hall. Instead, you can play anywhere at any time with people from all over the world. Blackout Bingo will allow you to virtually travel around the world, visiting a variety of exciting and exotic locations such as Hawaii, Paris, Dubai, New York City, and others. The graphics and effects are incredible, and you will be traveling around the world with Chelsea, the Blackout Bingo heroine, while competing for prizes. So how are you going to win? There are a few different strategies, especially when using your golden power-ups and your ×2 multiplier. To begin, don't be hasty when choosing your dob squares, as you will be penalized if you choose an incorrect dob square. This will stifle your ability to earn bonus money. When it comes to golden balls, always use them to cover corners or the X, or use them for bingo lines if those are already covered. When playing Blackout Bingo, don't be concerned about your luck. You will earn the option to get boosts while playing, which will allow you to move forward in the game more quickly. You can add more bingo cards as you progress through the game, up to a total of 4 to help you improve your skills quickly and have more fun. When you cover all the spots on your bingo card before your opponent, you win a Blackout Bingo game. If you enjoy playing games on your Android, iPhone, or iPad, you will find that the social competition, combined with the opportunity to win fantastic prizes and real money, is a fantastic way to pass the time. Toluna influencers is a great option if you want to get paid for sharing your thoughts. There are numerous surveys available as well as an application. You can be paid in cash or gift cards, and you can work from anywhere in the world. Toluna is an online community platform where you can take frequent surveys in exchange for rewards. Users who complete these surveys are referred to as Toluna influencers, as the surveys you complete are used by major brands to help them figure out what they're doing right, wrong, and what they should be doing. Toluna influencers are compensated in points which can be redeemed for a variety of items such as gift cards, competition entries, or plain old cash. However, taking surveys isn't the only way to earn points on Toluna. You can also earn points by interacting with the Toluna community, playing games, or watching videos. It is difficult to put a precise figure on your potential earnings because how much you get out of Toluna is largely determined by how much you put in. That said, it is safe to say that surveys are by far the most popular and reliable method of earning rewards on Toluna. According to their FAQs, each survey can pay anywhere from 15 to 50,000 points, depending on length, but we've found that the majority of the surveys we've found only pay 1,000 to 2,000 points, though a couple was less than half of this, and others were up to 20,000. According to the number of points required to purchase each value of a gift card, £1 is roughly 5,500 points. You can only cash out to PayPal in £35 increments. If you want to redeem points for a value lower than that, you'll have to buy a gift card or one of the random items they sell, which we think aren't worth spending your hard-earned points on. A few of the vouchers are for stores that sell almost everything, Tesco and Amazon in particular. So if you choose these, your gift cards will essentially be equivalent to cash. Furthermore, the Tesco and Amazon credits are worth more than the $45 payout based on the number of points required to purchase each value of gift vouchers. Obviously, using Toluna will not make you a millionaire. However, if you are willing to put in the time, you can certainly make some extra money on the site. It's free to join, so sign up and give it a shot to see if it's right for you. Yes, by installing a few apps on your smartphone, you can turn it into a money-making machine. Hopefully, you will be able to try out some of the applications on this list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time!